So this is our agriculture, how do you call it? Agriculture robot manufacturing, which is coming along quite well. I just want to show briefly in 5 minutes what we have, then I can make a more comprehensive video next week. So here's the one for small farms. I will show the one that you can use on a big farm. There it is connected. And for now, we have a controller that you can use to control it. So if I want it to go forward, uh, if I want to control the simulation the way that I would control the real device, I'll just, I believe this should be it. No, that is up and down. Controlling that, yeah, this is down for forward. If I want it to go forward, I can just drive it. So once we have the real robot up and running, one of the options that you'll have to control it is that. So that is forward and left and right. No, sorry, it's the other way around. That's, you can see this is the stick that I'm using, and then up and down, or use it to go up. Is this it? Yes, this should be. I mean down, down and up, and it has various speeds as well. As you see, it has bounced so fast when I use this button. That is, it goes very fast. I can also use the keyboard. W takes it up, X takes it down, then I have the arrow keys. But I think something has interfered with the arrow key. So it is zooming instead of, it is turning around, it's panning instead of going up, and it is, so that is one of the ways that I can use to control it. Then of course with the joystick as well, I can zoom in and zoom out. Where is zoom in? And that should be it. I think I have lost something. And of course we have, well, there's an issue, it's not zooming in and out as I had expected. There's a bug, I'll call it a bug, it will be fixed later. So that is quickly how I can control it to the gamepad. I now need to show how now the back, do you call it backend, whatever you call it, for controlling this. As you can see, I have logged in some account here. So because now I want to have this machine, what I go to is a test, and I say a test account that I created, test at seco.co.ke for email and password. So that means it has logged into the Farmbot backend with this. So the plants that you see here, all this, you go to your Farmbot web app and you create those plants. It is beyond the scope of this short introduction to how we create those plants. Now I can show, for example, if I want to go to this plant here, if I want to go to this plant and then I click go, and then we see what happens on the other side. Saying Farmbot is up and running, Farmbot is offline. You try this. Yeah, I believe it is there. I know, seems on there without us noticing. Now let me try this other plant here and select it. This plant here, it is not getting, yes, this plant, and then I click go, and then I watch what is happening on this side. So we see it has gone to that plant, but it is running up and down for some reason that I do not know, because it has gone to the plant and gone up. So this is illustrating the concept of how we can be able to plant, because once we have indicated, I have drawn my garden and I've indicated where every plant is, then I'll be able to tell the robot, dig a hole here, drop the seed there, cover the hole. If it needs irrigation on a small farm, of course, then we'll say as well, water this plant here. Then when there's weeding as well, we'll cover that next time. So what I want to show you again is, I believe this will not break, is the bigger version of this. So just quickly, if I select a different boat type here, I go to Angel Boat and I I select a different ground cable. Yes, so this is the bigger version of this. Again, which I believe I can quickly show it moving back and forth. Oh, problem somewhere. But now on the other version, there's just one tool, and that tool goes to one plant at a time. Now here, the whole of this front section here, you can mount a tool on it, and equally on the back section, so that you do a whole, is it a column or a row of plants at a time. So that's it for this week. If you want to try the demo yourself, just go to app.angelrobotics.that, or we wait for next week so that we can continue on this. Thank you.